the Child Care and Protection Act, Section 7, assessment and investigation of reports to registry. Subsection 1. On receiving a report about a child under Section 6, the registrar shall assess the information in the report, and after such assessment may A. refer the report to the children's advocate and the government agency responsible for children for further investigation, or so that the child may be brought before a court under Section 13, as the case may require. B. Inform the person having custody, care, or control of the child of the report, unless, in the opinion of the registrar, such information will cause physical or emotional harm to any person, endanger the safety of the child, or impede an investigation under paragraph A. Okay, so registrar may or may not publish that report to the person to having care and custody and control of a child. Alright. Subsection 2. Every person shall regard as secret and confidential every report made under Section 6, and shall not, other than in any proceedings for an offence or as is permitted for the purposes of this Act, disclose A. the existence of the report or any information contained therein, or B. any other information from which the identity of one, the child concerned in the report, or 2. any person alleged in the report to have committed an offence in respect of any such child may be reasonably inferred. Okay, so sometimes you see news report about a child and they say they withhold the name of the parent or some relative to protect the identity of the child. Okay, so every person shall regard as secret and confidential every report made under Section 6. So, alright. Alright, now subsection 3. A person who contravenes subsection 2 shall be liable upon summary conviction before a resident magistrate to a fine not exceeding $500,000 or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months, or to both such fine and imprisonment. For the registrar commits an offence if the registrar A. fails to assess any report referred to in subsection 1, or B. fails without good cause to refer the report in accordance with subsection 1A. A person to whom a report is referred for investigation under subsection 1A other than the children's advocate commits an offence if that person fails to carry out the investigation. So the person will have to carry out investigation once they receive a report of the abuse of a child. Alright. Section A, subsection 1. circumstances in which a child is in need of care and protection. For the purposes of this act, a child shall be considered to be in need of care and protection if that child, A, having no parent or guardian, or having a parent or guardian unfit to exercise care and guardianship, or not exercising proper care or guardianship, is falling into bad associations, exposed to moral danger, or beyond control. B. Okay, so A, falling into bad association. It could be with gang members or some other immoral companies, exposed to moral danger. Could be sexual in nature, or scamming or something, or beyond control. So, of not exercising proper care, having a parent, or the child is beyond control. It looks like that. Alright, B, is being cared for in circumstances in which the child's physical or mental health or emotional state is being seriously impaired, or there is a substantial risk that it will be seriously impaired. C, is a child in respect of whom any offence mentioned in the second schedule has been committed or attempted to be committed, in respect of which offence mentioned in the second schedule has been committed or attempted to be committed. Right? D, is a member of the same household as the child in respect of whom such an offence has been committed. It looks like the offence, say in the second schedule, I think the offence here is being exposed to moral danger or falling into bad associations. Alright? Is a member of the same household as a person who has been convicted of such an offence in respect of a child. Okay. Subsection 2. For the purposes of subsection 1, the fact that a child is found A, destitute, B, wandering without any settled place of abode and without visible means of subsistence, and C, begging or receiving alms or loitering for that purpose, shall without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of subsection 1 be evidence that the child is exposed to moral danger. Okay, so if the child the people see the child walking up and down, wandering or begging on the street, then this act consider them as being exposed to moral danger. Alright. Section 9. Subsection 1, cruelty to children. We're going to do this in a different video.